Okay. Hi everyone, He's on Blacksmith back again. I'm going to do a technical video now on this. Basically, it's made for someone my size. I've got waist height for myself. I'm using rail track for the anvil and a 15-pound hammer for the hitting force, which is increased with the tension spring. These tension springs are only trampoline springs because it was the cheapest thing I could find. Waist height, it's not that big at all. It's what? It's only 33 inches long by 15 inches wide, and what height, if you want the height, the weight is a metre. When I was making it, I decided to put the hammer through some tubing, which is scaffolding tubing. I've bolted it through so it can't fly out, and I've also wedged it. Got a simple fixed wheel for the Vinci cam. Vinci cams you can see online how they're made. I've got down here, I've got a 800 RPM spade drill, which is going to a 1.5 inch pulley with block bearings all the way around for all the different sizes. That this pin down here is 1/2 inch diameter, and that goes to a 1/2 inch block pulley, nice and level, that runs smoothly. Up top, that's 5/8 EN8, I think it is, EN8 or EN9, going to a 6.5 inch pulley, which drives the Da Vinci cam itself. Up top, again, these are 5/8 with a 5/8 rod welded on top. Construction is just one sleeper at the front cut into 3. The rest of it is at the back. It's 6x2 timber, all pressure treated and heat treated at the same time. I'm gonna have to put more reinforcement on, like angle line and things like that. The rest of the construction is 3x2, and I've added bits on all over the place. The springs, again, these are just trampoline springs, and it runs smoothly. It goes through 10mm, 12mm, 16mm, 20mm and 25mm up to 1 inch. So it works quite well. I need to modify it a little bit more, but apart from that, it works perfectly. I didn't have 5k to put into a power hammer, so I thought I'm going to make one, and it's doing its job perfectly. It's cost me about £800 over the space of 3 months to build it. If I had all the parts though, I could have done it in a weekend quite easily. It's all switch operated, runs nice and smoothly, runs off 240 volts, and yeah, it works perfectly for what I need it for. Again, you need some tweaking. I might change the cam slightly, and I might change how the setup on the bottom is for the motor, which is the spade drill, the 800 RPM, but it runs at about 120 hits per minute, which is 2 hits per second. So yeah, it's quite cool. But if you're going to make one, go for it, because if you've got the time on your hands, which everybody does right now, it's the lockdown, go for it. If you've got the cash, go for it. If you have 5k, just buy a normal power hammer. But if anything goes wrong on this, I can fix it whenever I want. So yeah, make one or buy one. It works for me. I've had a video of testing it out earlier on. Go check that out. Share, like and subscribe. See you again.